The nursing program at Western Iowa Tech Community College offers both LPN and RN programs. The LPN, Licensed Practical Nurse, is the first 2 semesters, and the Registered Nurse, also known as the RN, is the last 2 semesters of the program. This program at Western Iowa Tech utilizes the latest technology and experienced faculty to prepare students for their nursing career. Nursing classrooms and labs closely resemble real-world conditions and use high-tech tools like high-fidelity mannequins and simulators to give instruction in the administration of medical treatment and assisting physicians during treatment examinations. Students have the option to receive a diploma in practical nursing or their associate degree in nursing. The nursing program is offered as a face-to-face classroom or hybrid option. It is available at the following Western Iowa Tech Community College campuses: Sioux City, Denison, and Cherokee.